Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my analysis, rather I would say daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, US dollar, Japanese yen and so on. Okay, so this analysis is for Monday 1st March 2021 only because tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. So this analysis is for today only. So you can see that I have marked few levels on the chart and you can see that there was heavy selling pressure during the last session. Okay, just look at the number of candles. Yeah, it needed to go from here to this level. Okay, and just look at the number of candles. It needed to fall to this level. Okay, hard 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 candles and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 20 24 25 26 27 28. Okay, more than 30 candles. I'm not going to count again. Okay, 10 candles to come and 30 candles to go up. So just imagine the power of the sellers that day. Okay, so you can see that there is a support available at 1.2033 and 1.2022. So this is the support level. This level will act as support for the market. But looking at the size of the big fat red candles, so if we spot a green candle, big bullish red green candle today here, we cannot be fully certain that market this is a reversal. Okay, because selling pressure was too high. Okay, in case market bounces from this level also, let the market trade a little bit, let the market just get the confirmation, or at least let the market cross this level, 2100 level, and let market trade comfortably. Okay, before that do not go ahead and execute the buy order. And in case market fails to provide the required support, okay, or this level fails to provide the required support, it may fail because looking at the size of the candles, it may fail also. In case it fails, then this you can short the market here. This will be your target, 1.1963. This is your target if you short here. If market crosses this level and if you see that selling pressure is again very high, there is some new sellers who have joined the market and enjoying the party, okay, then you can short the market and for a target of 1.1963. In case you go long, if you see that market has reversed beautifully and again market is traveling beautifully towards the upside, then you can go long. Your ultimate target will be 1.2213. This will be ultimate target. So these are the important levels for the day. So this support level is very crucial. If it breaks it, go short if there is some good selling pressure, and if it bounces also, let the market trade comfortably. Okay, let there be some volume. Do not jump into the market right away because selling pressure was very high. We cannot avoid these candles. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for Euro USD for Monday 1st March 2021. Okay, tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. You can check out my YouTube channel with for other analysis also. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck. Please subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. You'll see me again tomorrow. Thank you so much and take care.